to set network mode as Auto Connect in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Connections Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Connections. Tap Mobile Networks. Tap Network Mode. Select Auto Connect, LTE/3G/2G. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.